Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new, my name is Kitty.
My name is Wesley.
He's sick, as you guys could tell, which is the point of this video. Okay, so today we're going to be making a hot toddy, my version. I've looked online. I found different types of versions. Some had some of these ingredients, some had others. I figured, now keep in mind, I'm not a medical professional. I'm not a doctor, a nurse, none of that. So if you are a medical professional and you see something in here that you shouldn't be mixing, let me know, please, in the comments below. But I personally did try this a few times. So I personally was feeling sick, like I had like a cold or flu or something. I don't know what I had. I did this hot toddy, this type of ingredients, twice in a day. I did it in the morning and then in the evening, like more like towards somewhere between 7 and 9. I did the second one. And I woke up the next day feeling better, like nothing. I was like, okay, this is a trick. I know I'm probably just like in that phase where then the next day I'll feel worse. And I actually recovered. So I feel like this worked for me. So right here I have green tea. I just got the simple Great Valley green tea. It's already in here. It says to do it for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and add 2 shots. For me, I did 1, but for him, I'm going to go ahead and give him 2.
Yeah, I'm a bigger guy.
You could do 1 or 2 shots. It's all preference. But this is really good for you when you're sick. It has like, it'll like kill any type of bacteria, germs.
It's also a decongestant.
Yeah. So this is the Jim Beam Devil's Cut Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey. And I'm going to go ahead and add that in.
It's going to be all right.
Next, I'm going to add just under a tablespoon of honey. Because honey's like really good for you. All of this is really good for you. All right, next I'm going to add a sprinkle of ground cinnamon. Then we have ground ginger. This one I'm just going to do like a little dash. There. Next we have ground turmeric. This is also really good for you. And I'm only going to do like a little sprinkle. I'm not measuring these. I'm just eyeballing it and I'm doing very little of it. Nothing's coming. There we go. A little bit came out now. There.
So I just wanted to mention 2 things. Ground turmeric. Turmeric itself is an anti-inflammatory. So when your sinuses are inflamed, basically from a sinus infection or an upper respiratory infection, the turmeric is going to relieve some of that pressure. The second thing I want to say is when you use...
Notice I'm shaking it. Go ahead.
When you use honey, you want to try and get honey that's local to where you're at. Basically what the honey does is it's going to have the pollen that's local. So any allergies that you might have, you know, the itchiness, sometimes you go outside, what this is going to do is it's going to get your body immune to it. So it's going to reduce your symptoms.
So now I'm going to do a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And this one's the Bragg's organic. And it is organic. Now, not all of this is organic. This is organic. This is organic. It's best if you do organic, but it's not like this is organic. It's fresh from an actual tree.
I'm pretty sure this is organic too.
All right, so I'm doing a tablespoon.
That looked like a lot.
It's a tablespoon.
Okay.
Trust me, this is very medicinal.
Yeah.
And then last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and let you grab here. Hold on, because my hands are clean, but I don't want to squeeze your lemon either. There you go. So go ahead and you squeeze like a good slice of lemon. It's going to be about half a tablespoon or so, or maybe a tablespoon. Once you squeeze it really good, I wouldn't drop it in there because then it's going to soak up everything.
Yeah.
So don't drop your lemon in there. You can do this to fight a cold or a flu or whatever. Or you can do it if you're simply in a mood for a hot drink. If you're simply in a mood for a hot adult beverage, I should just say. It is like my mouth is literally watering right now. I love this drink. This is it's your first time trying this one, right?
Yeah.
It is his first time trying this specific one that I like to make. So hopefully he'll wake up feeling much better tomorrow, because this did work for me. So I hope this works for you guys. We're gonna have him test it. And if any of you try this, let us know in the comments below what you thought. Like, did it help you? Did it like taste good? Did it taste nasty? So you go ahead and be honest. If you hate it, love it, whatever you think, go ahead and try it. Okay, honest opinion, what do you think?
It's really good.
It is?
Yeah.
I think it's good, but I have weird taste buds. You like it?
Yeah.
It's really good. Like, if you're into like vinegar and all those type of flavors, like I love vinegar, lemon, all that, like the ginger. I love all those flavors. If you hate any of these flavors, suck it up if you're trying to get better naturally. I mean, I hate using over-the-counter medications. It makes me feel awful. Like, over-the-counter just makes me feel like a zombie. It makes me feel yucky. Like, it makes me sick. Like, I don't like over-the-counter. It's not that I'm against over-the-counter medications. It does help if you don't have all these ingredients. But if you have these or can get them, I highly recommend trying this. You don't have to, again, I repeat, you don't have to put every single one of them. At least do apple cider, honey, lemon, and of course whiskey. But if you can get all these ingredients in there, even better. So as some of you know, like green tea is like, it's good to detox your body. All of this has excellent benefits in it.
The one thing I want to say is, over-the-counter medicine, it's not going to cure a cold. The over-the-counter medicine is to deal with the symptoms.
Very good point.
The only thing that's going to cure a cold would be a prescription. So like I said, the over-the-counter medicine is going to deal with the symptoms.
Just to help you feel comfortable, kind of.
This right here is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antihistamine.
It'll kill viruses.
Yeah, it's going to kill viruses. Apple cider vinegar kills bacteria. People use it to clean.
Which sounds awful, but it's really good for you. This is really safe to take internally. Obviously, they sell it to take internally.
That's all I got to say.
So yeah, let's all wish him well, so that he has a speedy recovery and gets back to normal. And I hope you guys try this out and that it works for you. Please let us know. And we'll see you guys at the next one. Bye.
Stop playing, girl, you know it's with me.